Crinoids are marine invertebrates that make up the class Crinoidea. Crinoids that remain attached to the sea floor by a stalk in their adult form are commonly called sea lilies, while the unstalked forms, called FEATHERSTARS or Comatulids, are members of the largest crinoid order, Comatulida. Crinoids are echinoderms in the phylum Echinodermata, which also includes the starfish, brittle stars, sea urchins and sea cucumbers. The name, Crinoidea, comes from the ancient Greek word krinon, a lily, with the suffix oid meaning like. They live in both shallow water and in depths of over 30,000 feet. Adult crinoids are characterized by having the mouth located on the upper surface. This is surrounded by feeding arms, and is linked to a U-shaped gut, with the anus being located on the oral disc near the mouth. Although the basic echinoderm pattern of five-fold symmetry can be recognized, in most crinoids the 5 arms are subdivided into 10 or more. These have feathery pinnulae and are spread wide to gather planktonic particles from the water. There are only about 700 living species of crinoid, but the class was much more abundant and diverse in the past. The majority of living crinoids are free-swimming and have only a vestigial stalk. Crinoids are passive suspension feeders, filtering plankton and small particles of detritus from the sea water flowing past them with their feather-like arms. Mobile crinoids move to perch on rocks, coral heads or other eminences to maximize their feeding opportunities. Their food particles are caught by the primary or longest tube feet, while the secondary and tertiary tube feet are involved in manipulating anything encountered. The mouth descends into a short esophagus. There is no true stomach, so the esophagus connects directly to the intestine, which runs in a single loop right around the inside of the calyx. The intestine often includes numerous diverticulae, some of which may be long or branched. The end of the intestine opens into a short muscular rectum. Crinoids are dioecious, with individuals being either male or female. The sperm and eggs are released into the surrounding sea water. The fertilized eggs hatch to release free-swimming Vitellaria larvae. The larva's free-swimming period lasts for only a few days before it settles on the bottom and attaches itself to the underlying surface using an adhesive gland on its underside. The larva then undergoes an extended period of metamorphoses into a stalked juvenile, becoming radially symmetric in the process. Even the free-swimming feather stars go through this stage, with the adult eventually breaking away from the stalk.